First, take a look at this channel. It has 13 million subscribers, is fully monetized, and earns an estimated $4.3K per month. The channel creates simple stickman videos. Now here's another channel with 112,000 subscribers. Just look at the videos, they're getting amazing views and performing really well. And here's one more channel with 175,000 subscribers. It creates the same type of stickman videos, and as you can see, many of its videos have reached millions of views. The channel is also fully monetized. There are many more channels like these that are making stickman videos, growing rapidly and getting millions of views. As you can see, these channels are monetized and generating excellent results. The best part is that you can create these stickman videos completely for free. In this video, I'll show you the entire process step by step and teach you how to make trending stickman videos in just 2 minutes. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now, let's get started and learn how to create trending stickman videos for free. Now, open ChatGPT. I'll provide you with a prompt in the document file. Simply copy and paste it into ChatGPT. As soon as you paste the prompt, it will automatically generate everything you need, including image prompts and video prompts. As you can see, you'll get Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, and so on. It will generate all the image prompts and video prompts for every scene. You can see that all the prompts are ready. You'll receive 10 scene-by-scene image prompts and video prompts, making the entire process much easier. Once the prompts are ready, we'll move on to the third tool called FlowLabs AI. It's a great website for creating AI videos. Open FlowLabs AI and click New Project. The platform gives you 50 free credits every day, and later in this video I'll show you how you can keep using it for free. After clicking New Project, choose your preferred aspect ratio, such as 9:16 for YouTube Shorts or any other size you want. I'll select 9:16. Now simply paste the generated prompt and your AI video will start creating automatically. I'll paste the next prompt as well, and another video will begin generating. As you can see, it only takes a short time. The voiceover is also included, so all you have to do is paste the prompt, and your video will be ready. Here you can see that the first video has already been generated. The result looks amazing. Let's preview it. It turned out really well. Now, the second video is also ready. If your free credits run out, don't worry. I'll simply open another browser, paste the prompt there, and the video generation will start again. After a short wait, your next video will be ready as well. That's how you can create AI videos completely for free. After downloading them, you can edit them in CapCut or any other video editor. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss my upcoming AI tutorials. See you in the next video.